So we will see about the next important topic of mood disorder, which is known as manic episodes. So mania refer to a syndrome in which a central features of an overactivity, mood changes, which may be towards elevation and irritability and self-important ideas such as the lifetime risk of manic episode may be about 0.8% to 1%, and this disorder occurs in an episode lasting for usually 3 to 4 months and may be followed by a complete recovery. Okay, so what basically happens in this manic disorders or manic episodes, person have a such an overactive and mood changes, maybe there will be irritability, elevations, and the person is moving here and there with this overactive hyper. Okay, and it is basically classified in hypomania, mania without psychotic symptoms, mania with psychotic symptoms, mania with manic with episodes with unspecified according to an ICD classifications. Hypomania, mania with psychotic symptoms or symptoms, or mania without psychotic symptoms, and there is an unspecified mania is 2. Okay. Then we will see about the clinical features. So the clinical feature includes the elevated expensive psychomotor activity, speech, thoughts, and okay. So what this elevated expenses are? So your clinical features include elevated expenses or irritable mood, just such as euphoria. Okay, so euphoria is the stage where the person feels increase in the sense of psychological well-being. The person मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, मैं feeling of very high means बहुत खुश होना is also one of the symptoms. Okay, and there is a happiness not in the keeping with the organic ongoing events. खुशी अभी जो सिचुएशन है उसके लिए नहीं होगा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुश होगा कि और फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इज़ द वन ऑफ द थिंग ऑफ द यूफोरिक पर्सन. जो यूफोरिक स्टेज है, जो फर्स्ट स्टेज है ना, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज वेलबींग, अपने आप को बहुत कि मेरे पास सब कुछ है, मेरे पास पैसे हैं, एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग के लिए वो खुश रहेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज़ योर एलिवेशन स्टेज. In this, a moderate elevation of mood with increased psychomotor activity. Person in elevation stage may there will be elevation of mood. Then they're keeping on ongoing events. Means mood बहुत ज़्यादा elevated, high रहेगा. Then there is a exaltation stage. There is a intense elevation of mood with delusion or grandeur. ओके. सो एक्सॉल्टेशन स्टेज में ग्रैंडियोसिटी मतलब कि अपने आप को महान समझना. पर्सन विद दिस फीचर्स में शो कि मैं बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी हूँ, आप मेरे को नहीं जानते, मेरा आमिर खान से पहचान है, अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा महान समझना. एक्चुअल में पर्सन नहीं है. ओके. देन द लास्ट स्टेज इज एकास्टेसी. Severe elevation of mood, intense sense of rapture or blissfulness is seen in a delirious and stuporous mania. So there is a severe elevation of mood. अब पर्सन जो फर्स्ट स्टेज में यूफोरिया में था, बहुत खुश रहने लगा था, अब यहाँ पर जो लास्ट स्टेज है, स्टेज 4 है, उसमें वो इंटेंस रैप्चर ऑफ ब्लिसफुल, अपने आप को बहुत कि मुझे सब भगवान से वरदान मिला है, एंड डिलीरियस इन स्टूप्रस mania. So stuporous mania is the this symptoms of this elevated expensive. Okay, clinical features. Next one is in this elevated expensive situation. Next one is your psychomotor activity, which includes the overactiveness and restlessness. पर्सन जो बहुत एक्टिव होगा और रेस्टलेसनेस, आराम करेगा नहीं, रुकेगा नहीं, इधर से उधर घूम रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क करेगा. सो दिस इज रिलेटेड टू योर ओवर एक्टिवनेस. एंड द पर्सन इन्वॉल्व इन दिस sees this activity. These activities are goal oriented and based on external environment cues. जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ है वो कुछ गोल से रिलेटेड होगा एंड एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट जो भी फैक्टर्स हैं उससे रिलेटेड. ओके. देन इट अफेक्ट्स योर स्पीच एंड थॉट्स, इंक्लूड्स फ्लाइट ऑफ आइडियाज, pressured speech, delusion grandeur, delusion of a persecution, distractibility. So these are the speech and thoughts includes in our focus. Types of idea, एक टॉपिक से दूसरे टॉपिक पे जाता है. Pressured speech, forceful something speech, and then delusion of a grandeur, अपने आप को मान, grandiosity is related to then persecution and distractibility, easily distracted to another thing. Then other features includes absent insight, poor judgment, impulsive behavior. Then symptoms of certain symptoms of hypomania is lesser degree of mania. There is a persistent mild elevation of mood, an increased sense of psychological well-being, and happiness is not in keeping with ongoing events. Then we will see about the treatment part of manic episodes. Includes the lithium of we can give 900 to 2100 mg per day. Then sodium valproate 600 to 1800 mg per day. Then other drugs such as clonazepam, calcium channel blockers, and other treatment modality includes ECT, psychosocial treatments. So about this drugs, lithium and sodium valproate and clonazepam, there is another video related to the drugs action in their this adverse effect, how they affect in your brain. It is all discussed on that this drug parts. Okay. So if you're having any doubts related to this manic episode doubts, so you can ask me on comment, and if you're having any queries you can also put on them. Okay. Thank you.